Hi there, lovelies. So I'm going to do a little bit of a different video today. I'm going to have a video running on how I do a landscape, but I'm going to be more or less talking about art in general and how to improve your art and little tips and tricks and things like that. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. But I'm going to be talking about confidence in your artwork and how to get over, little hurdles that you might have. So the first thing I want to say is talking about your confidence really in general. Try not to be influenced by other people. And by that, I mean, if people say to you, that they don't like your art or they think you're wonderful, it'll either go two ways. If they're friends or family, there's two ways it could go. One, you're the best thing since Leonardo da Vinci, or you're absolute rubbish. Now, when my ex-husband, he delighted in telling me that, I was rubbish, my art was rubbish, I would never, get anywhere with it. I would certainly never be able to sell it. And yet, and I took no notice of him really, but it does affect you, I have to say. And now I've got several online art galleries that sell for me, and I've sold my paintings and pottery all over the world. I've been on quite a few online galleries for years and years, 10 years, and sold a lot of paintings. Now, the reason I'm telling you that is just to show you that, people's opinions don't matter. They don't matter. It's what you think yourself. And painting, being an artist, doesn't happen overnight. I think you'll appreciate that. And it's like everything else. I mean, you can't just suddenly be able to, let's say, rewire a house or something like that. The knowledge that you acquire has to be acquired over years and years. But that doesn't stop you enjoying, being an artist, does it? So I hope you can follow along. I chose a very simple painting so that you can follow along with it and watch it while you listen to me. Now, these paintings are oh yeah, I was going to say to you, I applied to go on Landscape Artist of the Year years ago, about 4 years ago. And I was watching the programme and I was all keen on it and everything. And I thought, hang on a minute, these artists, they're being told they're being taken to a location. Let's say, well, actually, one of them was a very industrial buildings that they wanted you to paint. And I just don't want to do that. I don't want to paint industrial buildings. If you want to paint, say, a seascape with boats and clouds and, birds and things, you don't want to be painting some rusty old building in the middle of London. You just don't. And the point of this is, if you don't want to do something, you won't be any good at it. You've got to have a passion. You've got to love what you're doing. I mean, for instance, if you love painting flowers, you're not going to want to paint a rusty old building, are you? You're just not. So anyway, I realised that. I thought, oh, I wouldn't like that. So I didn't go any further with it. I was accepted, I'm not saying that I would have got on the show, but I was accepted. And no, didn't. I just couldn't think of anything worse than being told to paint something that my heart wasn't in, Anyway, so that's that. Now, these paintings, they are built up layer over layer over layer. Now, I've said that a million times, but what you have to do is you put layers of colour on, and then you'll expose the colour that's underneath. So if you take a look at that sky there, you'll see that there are different shades of blue. It's the same with the clouds. When you put clouds in, you use different colours in the sky, and exposing the colour underneath all the time. So if you would like some more tips and tricks on how to make your artwork a little bit better, you could look at some of my other videos. I've got lots and lots and lots of tips and tricks on how to make your seascapes and your landscape a little bit better. And so with that, I'll say bye for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, it would be lovely if you would subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. The channel can also be supported by pressing the thanks button. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.